YouTube. Whew. I know it's been a minute. Boy, been busy, crazy busy. At the same time, you know, my birthday was July 4th to be exact. And I took me a well-long vacation, 3 weeks vacation over there in Puerto Plata in Dominican Republic. Woo. Man, good time. So now I'm back in Texas, doing what I do best. Into this money. But you know, that consistent money. You know, I got a contract dedicated. And well, I'm tired. It's only my first week since I've been back. Working, man. I've been working. But on the bright side, they did offer to extend our contract for 2 to 3 years. And they have reduced the pickups. So it's a great thing. Great thing. Oh boy.
Well, I think this is simple engineering. Like there's no complication. It's just straightforward, just regular connections. I mean, even if you go to the other side, you know, there's not much wires. When you go over here, it's like, you know, they take out all the clutter, no more wires, just simple engine. Simple, real engine.
The Detroit 60 series.
Detroit 60 series.
The real deal. My boy said this is beautiful.
I never said that about an engine before. Now I know why people say that. Like, you know, it's like, this is beautiful. Like,
definitely a lot of money. I can tell you that.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro. Like,
Yeah, it's some beautiful work right here for sure. Oh, I think I need some coolant.
Just simple stuff.
Yeah, I need an engine wash, but sometimes I be, you know, all these trucks got sensors and.
No, I do the engine wash all the time.
Yeah, I don't like messing with it. I probably do it. I already did it once already. Probably do it once a year, type of deal. Maybe twice.
What year is it?
This right here?
Yeah.
I don't even know, bro, to be honest with you.
Let's see. What's this right here?
I don't even know.
This is your information and your insurance.
I gotta look it up and see. Yeah, I gotta look it up and see.
I don't know why people want this 60 series.
Yeah, it's worth it, bro. I like it. Never left me on the side of the road. It is easy to like, yo, Lewis, I need this and this. Boom, 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 go. You know what I'm saying? My baby. My baby, yeah. So, and I just changed this out.
The shop?
Yeah, probably like 3-4 months ago. Probably like 3 months ago. Look how dirty it is. All right, man.